Professional appearance. This 2-wire pigtail is designed for a clean, professional look when installed. Convenient solution. This male-female pigtail connector allows the circuit to be quickly disconnected for service or occasional use. Durable construction. This pigtail connector features weatherproof seals and a locking tab for a reliable connection. Versatile component. This connector can be used in a variety of repairs and custom installations. Backed by a team of engineers and quality control specialists in the United States. Make better electrical repairs and accessory installations with Dorman Builders Series components. This 2-wire male-female pigtail connector features weatherproof terminals and a locking tab for a reliable quick disconnect electrical connection. Top reviews from the United States. Craftsman riding mower. Great fix for a craftsman riding mower I got used. Previous owner used wire nuts to hold the wires together. Trashy looking. Now, whenever I need to remove the hood to work on it, can just simply disconnect the connector.